Hello everyone, welcome to all in my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you my earning proof for Wirestock. So I'm just searching wirestock.io. So I have uploaded few photos in Wirestock also, so I'm going to open this one. Okay, so after that it is loading a new page. Okay, so just wait for a moment. Okay, so now you can see it is giving me that introduction creative channel is telling me like that. So I'm just going to close. So now I'm going to click in the dashboard of Wirestock. So now you can see it is giving you the earning proof. Okay, so I have total 0.04 cent 1 minute. Okay, so in the Adobe stock I got 0.32 cent, and extra channel 0.05, and media canvas is 0.03 cent. Okay, so I think Wirestock also one of the amazing thing. Okay, so it is giving me a few shares. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.